Hello students of class 11, RD Sharma students, welcome once again to Math is Possible. We are continuing with our videos on AP and GP. First question written on your screen, already I wrote it so that to save time. Okay, chapter is AP and GP. Okay, so let's start with this question. How many terms are there in the given AP 7A 13 right until 43? Over here, write what is given to us. Tn is 43, A is the first term, that is 7, D is equal to 10 minus 7, that is 3. So we need to find what? Simple, we need to find n here. So let's start with the formula Tn or A of n. This is also A of n. Those of you who are confused with Tn, okay, is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Sums will go very fast now. Okay, as fast as possible. Tn is 43, A is 7 plus n minus 1, D is 3. So that is 43 minus 7 is equal to 3, n minus 1. So 13, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5, 6. So that is 6. Okay, and cancel this out. That would be 3, right? 3, yeah, that is 36. Divide by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 12 plus 1, n is equal to 13. Okay, students, let me check the answer. Question number 6, part 1. Okay, question number 6, part 1 is given to us as 13. Correct answer. Moving on to 6 part 2, students. Okay, so 6 part 2 is the same thing that's supposed to be written. How many terms? That's why I wrote that, because I would have to write twice. So I wrote that before only starting the video. Okay, so let's continue from here. How many terms are there in the AP 6 part 2, students? Okay, and the AP that's given to us is minus 1 comma minus 5 by 6 comma minus 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 2 right on till the nth term, and that is 10 by 3, and the nth term is positive. 10 by 3 question mark. How many terms are there in the AP? Okay, so let's start, students. Start writing what's given to us. So let's write all those things. A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to this minus this. So minus 5 by 6 plus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, so this is 6 minus 5 plus 6, that is 1 by 6. That is your common difference, students. And T of n or A of n is equal to the last term, that is 10 by 3. Now go ahead, put your formula, solve the question. It's kind of easy for you. Okay, so let's start solving the question. From here, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Those of you who want to write an, please go ahead and write an, doesn't matter. Okay, so that is 10 divided by 3 here is equal to A is equal to minus 1 plus n minus 1, and your D is equal to 1 by 6 here. So now you have 10 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 6, n minus 1. Okay, so that's coming as 13 by 3, okay, into 6 is equal to n minus 1. Okay, so this is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, that is 26 plus 1 is equal to n, which is equal to 27. Final answer, 27 term. How many terms are there? 27 terms. Okay, 6 part 1 and 6 part 2 correct answer, students. 6 part 2 also correct answer. Moving on to our next question. Now I have to rub up this one question because the next question is different. Question number 7. Very easy questions are here, students, for this part of the exercise, but then we will have to move on to difficult questions because easy questions are not enough. Okay, so there will be difficult questions also coming up. Okay, so please go through the videos, then you will understand. Question number 7. Starting with the next question, question number 7, it says the first term of an AP, okay, the first term of an AP is 5. Very simple question. The first term of an AP is 5. The common difference, okay, the common difference, writing in short, CD is, the common difference is 3. Okay, the common difference is 3. And the last term, what is the last term? The last term is 80 students. The last term is 80. And it is also given that find the number of terms. Very simple. Find the number of terms. Very simple question. Start. A is given as 5, comma, common difference D is given as 3. Okay. Then last term 80, that is T of n, is given as 80. Very simple to start. Find the number of terms. T of n is equal to A plus n minus 1D. I showed how to prove this also. Okay. So this is 80 is equal to A5 plus n minus 1. Common difference is 3. So that is 75 is equal to 3. N minus 1. 75, divide 75 with 3. 75 divided with 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 3 5. That is 25 plus 1 is n. So 26 is equal to n. The number of terms here are 26 students. Question number 7. 26. Correct answer. Moving on to our next question. Question number 8. Let me read it first. The 6, this. Okay, it's a different question. I got to rub out the whole thing. I thought if it's the same type of question and same sentence is required, then I wouldn't have to rub up the whole thing, but then I have to. It's a different question. But again, a very, very nice question, students. I would like you to please concentrate on this question. Very nice. Might come for exam, might not. Okay, but it is a very nice question. Okay, has a lot of potential to come in the exam. The 6th, it says, the 6th and the 7th. The 6th and the 7th, I think 17th, sorry, the 6th and the 17th terms, the 6th and the 17th terms of an AP, the 6th and the 17th terms of an AP are 19 and 41. Are 19 and 41 respectively. You want to give some respect? Go ahead. Find the 40th term. Find the 40th term. Okay, that's the question. Find the 40th term, or what is the 40th term? You can give a question mark, full stop, whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's start. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of the given APs. Now, those of you who are thinking this, that is it different AP or is it the same thing? Well, it is the same AP. 6th and the 17th terms of an AP means it is the same AP. Okay, 6th and the 17th term. Now it's differentiable. Okay, so let's start then. 6th term. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So the 6th term, so 6A plus n minus 1, and the 6th and the 17th term. Okay, sorry. The 6th term is 19, right? A plus, and over here we are going to have 6 minus D. Okay, so 19 is equal to A plus 5D, equation number 1. Okay, moving on here. Next part. Then the 17th term. So T of 17, T of N, okay, and this is T of 6 is equal to, okay, T of 6. T of 17 is equal to 41. You can put A plus N minus 1D is equal to 41. I did both different ways because I wanted to show you that you can do both ways, okay. First you can put formula and then put value, or then you first you put value then put formula. So A plus 17 minus 1D is equal to 41. So A plus 16D is equals to 41, equation number 2. Now you solve them, solving 1 and 2, okay, simultaneously solving 1 and 2. So this is A plus 5D is equal to 19, and this is A plus 16D is equal to 41. Just hold on 1 second. Okay, just 1 sec. Okay, let's carry on. So from here we subtract and subtract. So cancel that out. That is how much? That is minus 11D is equal to 41 minus 19. So 41 minus 19, that's 9, 10, 11, 2, cut this out, make it into 3, that is another 2, 22. So this is 22. From here we are going to get D is equal to 22 divided by minus 11, that is minus 2. I got my D. Putting my D in 1 or 2 will get my A. I will get my thing, first term. D equals to minus 2, put in a box. Moving on. D equals to minus 2 in 1, putting in 1, that means. So that's 19 is equal to A plus minus 10. Minus 10, that is 29 is A. So I got my A and I got my D. Right, now I can find my 40th term. So let's go ahead, students, let's find the 40th term. Okay, rubbing off all this. Sorry about that. If you didn't copy, you can just go back and copy them first. Okay, and then understand. So the 40th term, I've got my D and my A, and I got my N also. So T of 40 is equal to A plus 40 minus 1D. So T of 40, A is 29 plus 39 into minus 2. Okay, multiply that out. 39 into minus 2, 39 into 2, 9, 2, 18, into 6 plus 1, 7, minus 78. Right, so 29 minus 78. Correct. So minus that out. Minus 29. So that's a 9. Cut it out. Make it into 6. 2 minus 49. So the 40th term is minus 49. Okay. But shouldn't be that. So let me check if we have made some mistake around here. Okay. So first of all, let's go ahead and check the answer. Because actually 19th and it's increasing, so the two equations are good and fine. There is 5, first term is 19 and the 17th term is 41. Okay, so when I subtracted, I got a minus 11 here. Okay, that's fine. 41, so 41, made a mistake here. Okay, because I understood it cannot be negative, so it will be actually positive here. Okay, so because D is 2, D is now 2, please change. D is 2, that means over here I have a plus 10. That means I have here as a 9. A is 9, so over here I have 9, then I have a 2 over here, that's 78 plus 9. Okay, so when you add that up, that is 78 plus 9, 9 2s are 18, minus 1 is 17, 7 plus 1, 8, 87. So that is 87. Okay, 87. Of course, it couldn't be negative, students, because if it was negative, then it wouldn't match the question. You see, in the question, sometimes you have to understand how you made a mistake, because you will not have the answer with you. Okay, so you must know where you made a mistake. You see, over here what's happening is that 6th term is 19 and the 17th term is 41. First of all, let me check the answer. Okay, 40th term is 87. Is it correct? Question number 8. Question number 8, correct answer 87. Now, the 6th term is 19 and the 17th term is 41. Okay, so it's increasing, it's not decreasing. So that means it was supposed to be greater rather than less. I was getting an answer which is very less because I made a mistake here because of the negative. Anyways, by now you know what mistake was there and you may have corrected it before me. Okay, so D is 2 and that's your 40th term. Moving on to our next question, students. Question number 9. Okay, moving on to question number 9. Okay, let's rub off this. Finished. We're done with question number 8. Now the next question is question number 9, students. Okay, I actually have just filled the marker and that's the reason why it's getting so stuck. Alright, inside. Anyways, so this is your next question on the screen. Question number 9. Okay, so question number 9 is again, students, a very simple type of a question. Okay, question number 9 says that the 9th term of an AP is 0. Prove that the 29th term is double the 19th term. It's very, very simple actually. Question number 9, the 9th term. Wonderful. The 9th term of an AP, the 9th term of an AP is 0. 0. The 9th term of an AP is 0. Okay, prove that the 29th term, prove that the 29th term, okay, prove that the 29th term is double the 19th term, is double the 19th term. Okay, so first of all, let's analyze the question. Let's understand what the question is trying to say. 9 is not looking like a 9. Okay, so get rid of that 9, write a better one. Okay, so the 9th term of an AP is 0. Alright, you have to prove that the 29th term is double the 19th term. So let us start. First of all, we have to take A and D, you know. So let's start with that. Let A be the first term. Okay, let A be the first term and D be the common difference. CD. Let D be the common difference. Okay, D. Now let's start from here, students. Once you've got the A and the common difference, we start the 9th term of an AP. So T of 9 is equal to 0. So A plus 9 minus 1 D is equal to 0. So A plus 8D is equal to 0. So A is equal to minus 8D. Okay, keep this very, very important part. Okay, A is equal to minus 8D. We will be using this every time. Okay, moving on from here to find the 29th term. So T of 29, of course, T of 29 is A plus 29 minus 1D. So A is what? 8 minus 8D, minus 8D, okay, plus 28D, that is 10D, right? 20D, sorry, 10 I'm writing 20d. T of 29. T of 29 is done. Next we have to find what? T of 19. So T19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1d. So that is minus 8d plus 18d. So that is 10d. Okay, T19 is 10d. Now what did you have to prove? You have to prove that the 29 term is double the 19 term. So if I take some space over here, now I can write the answer that T29 is equal to twice of T of 19. See, if you do 2 into 10d, that's 20d. So this is proved. And you can write here, since 20d is equal to 2 into 10d. Okay. Alright, you can write that. That's it. Your answer is over. Question number 9 is done, students. Moving on to question number 10. Okay. Question number 10, students, now. And I think I will not be able to do more than question number 10 because I have got to take a class right now. And it's not possible for me to do question number 11, maybe for you, maybe. If I can finish question number 10 quickly, then 11 you don't have to worry, okay? It's going to be very simple. Okay, so question number question number 10. Question number 10 says that if 10 times the 10 term of an AP, let's write it. If, I don't know why they are giving 10 then 10, 9 then 9. Okay, if 10 times the 10th term, it's like a riddle. I don't know what's wrong. That this is mathematics or riddle. That if 10 times the 10th term of an AP, 10 times the 10th term of an AP, okay, is equal to 15 times the 15th term is equal to 15 times the 15th term. The 15th term. Okay. TH. The 15th term. Then what do we have to prove here? Show that the 25th term of the AP is 0. Show that the 25th term is equal to 0. That's what you have to show. Let's start this question. Very simple question. First of all, 10th term of an AP. That's fine. Let A be first term and D be common difference, CD. Okay, let's start. T of 10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1D, that is A plus 9D. Okay, T of 15 is A plus 14D. Those of you who want to write quickly, write like that. 1, equation number 2. Now look at this. 10 times the 10th term. So 10 times the 10th term equals to 10 into A plus 9D. Fine. 15 times the 15th term. 15 times the 15th term. 15 into A plus, what is that? 14D. Correct? Both of them are equal. So this A is equal to B. Right? A is equal to B. So let's write 10 into A plus 9D is equal to 15 into A plus 14D. Okay? Now look very carefully. Let's multiply. First let's multiply that out. Okay, 15 into 14. 5, 4, 20, 4 1 the 4, you can, oh, you are not allowed. 5, 4, 20, 4 1 the 4, 5, 6, cross 1, 5, 1, 1, so 0, 10, 11, 2, 2, 10, 6 plus 5, so that's 5 plus 5, 10, plus 1, 6, 11, okay, 2, 10, that's done. So this is 10a plus 90d is equal to 15da plus 210d, correct? From here, let's continue. Let us continue from here. 15 into 14 is 210. Checking it once again so that I don't make any mistake. 5, 4, 20, 4 1 4, 5, 6, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1 1, 2, 10, correct answer. Okay, so from here what can we do? You can do 10a minus 15a. Those of you who have a problem with making negative here, you can do 15a minus 10a. That is 210d minus 90d. So that's how much? 210 minus 90, 0, 9, 10, 11. That is 2. Cut this, 12. Right? 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 120. So this is going to be minus 5a is equal to 120d. Now let's find a from here. Divide it. So 120 divided by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 24. So a is equal to minus 24d. Now they are telling you to find the 25th term is 0. So t of 25 is equal to a plus 25 minus 1d. So that is a is minus 24d plus 24d equals to 0. So t of 25 is equal to 0. And you can write proved here proudly. Okay. So students, I see on the clock that there is no time. Okay, not any more time. I'm done with this part. We will continue with this in the next videos. Okay, I have done till question number 10. So let's mark it here. We will continue. We have very nice questions. Question number 11, 12 and there are many more. Okay, so you keep taking as much help as possible from my and your channel Math is Possible. See you in the next video students. Bye bye.